Nestled on a huge corner lot, you'll find this beautifully updated home. Located near Turner Lake and close to Salem or Albany for an easy commute, it's situated in a desirable neighborhood. Across from a tree-filled green space, you'll enjoy easy access to trails and the lake. A wide covered front porch is an inviting space to relax in this private setting. Heading inside, discover a thoughtfully updated home with natural light, a gas fireplace, laminate floors, and bay windows. The dining area opens to the all-new kitchen with stainless steel appliances, new quartz countertops, a new gas range, an undermount sink, and an eating bar. French doors open to the large office, which could be a fourth bedroom. On the upper level, unwind in the spacious master suite. The updated master bath features new sinks and faucets, a separate tub and shower, and a walk-in closet. You'll find 2 more large bedrooms on this upper level. Plus a guest bath with new quartz countertops. Entertain or just relax on your covered patio, surrounded by beautiful landscaping, which includes underground sprinklers. Or make memories by the fire pit. Other features include a gas furnace and AC, plus a spacious driveway for extra parking or your RV. A beautiful home in a fantastic location. It's all here ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Bryan Rehnberg with Premier Property Group at 541-619-1449.